Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 12C, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down to access passwords and security. Following that, tap on face unlock and enter your current login method. Now tap on Start at the bottom. Choose Next after 5 seconds in Attention pop-up and remember to keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now you can name your face data however you wish to, and when you're ready, tap on Done. So when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. If you wish to disable this feature, tap on this switcher next to unlock using face data. You can switch it back on the same way. You can also manage all of those options by tapping on the switchers next to them. If you wish to delete your face data, tap on it over here. Choose Delete Face Data at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!